Welcome to Pharmagen DRX. For daily new pharma and life science job updates, you need to follow and subscribe Pharmagen DRX. Today we came with a new job opportunity from Clarivate. The job role is the Associate Content Editor and this is available for two locations. First in the Tamil Nadu, India and second is the Karnataka. So it is available for Chennai and Bangalore. And this is hybrid job, means work from home and work from office. The both are available for this job role. And now who can apply for this job role and what is the job role that I am coming for one by one. First it is coming for who can apply for this job role. M Pharm, B Pharm or D Pharm degree is needed for this job role and 0 to 1 year experience in pharmacology content. So freshers are eligible for this job role. So M Pharm, B Pharm or D Pharm degree in freshers can apply for this job role, and he or she should have the knowledge in the pharmacology and knowledge in content analysis and editing, as well as he should apply the knowledge of content analysis and editing. But M Pharm, B Pharm and D Pharm freshers can apply for this job role because they are eligible for this job role. So what will be you doing in this role? Now I'm coming what you need to do to review or analyze and update the pharmacological activities and to update the internal core database CMS according to the guideline proposed. So as this is totally related to the pharmacological content related, so you need to work with the database to review, analyze and update in vitro, in vivo and ex vivo study from patients, references, posters and conferences in CMS. So you need to review and you need to update for in vitro, in vivo and ex vivo studies, pharmacological parameters and unit measured, materials and the method used in the respective activities from patients, references, posters and conferences, and pharmacological details of the drug including the animal model, dose regimen and point measurement and duration of the drug. So all are related to the pharmacology, means the pharmacological experimental, all the work you need to update that in there. And how you can apply for this job role? Now there are also the several points are there what you need to do. And now I'm coming what is the time works. The hours of the work is the 40 hours per day, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Indian time, and this is a full-time position. And I told before this is in the location in the Chennai and also in the Bangalore, and work model is in the hybrid. So those who are the freshers on B Pharm, M Pharm and the D Pharm, they can apply for this job role. Now what you need to do, just you need to click on the apply now button. After clicking on apply now, you will get another page where you need to do the sign in, and after that you need to input your data. So you can put your information, your experience, additional questions, and you can upload your resume and you need to put your information, and after that you need to update that. And there is a next step. After next step you can save that and you can update all of your data, and then you can apply for this job role. So this is the golden opportunity for the B Pharm, M Pharm and the D Pharm freshers for doing the job in the Clarivate and in the job for the Associate Content Editor. Thank you. Follow and subscribe Pharmagen DRX for daily new pharma and life science job updates.